Alright, you're on. Whoop.
Ready for more? I know you like it. You see what I have to do with her. I know. Okay, open.
How was that, Sam?
You want to try another one? Okay, don't spit it out.
Bad chance. Oh my gosh, you kept it in.
Alright, let's try.
Making the camera look bad, man.
Oh, now you're keeping it in. I'm just going to go ahead and record every time we feed you, Mr. Spitz.
Anyways, you are a complete mess.
Yeah.
You're a mess. Oh,
There we go. That's what he's been doing to Mama. Yeah. Right, ready? More. Oh, you did it again, you turkey. I'm just going to make you keep re-eating it, man.